Hello guys and girls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the trade that we did take yesterday on volatility 25 index. It was a buy trade, and as soon as we saw this entry, we said to ourselves that yes, this is a buy trade, and we took it as up. And as you can see, the results are showing for themselves. And lucky for those in the Telegram group, this trade was shared there, and as you can see right now, they are swinging in deep buy profits. Now the aim of this video is I'm going to teach you from A to Z on how and when you should take buy entries when you're doing your analysis. I'm going to teach you all those concepts that most of the mentors do not teach you. So I want you to watch this video until the very end so that you can get all those basic concepts that will help you in your trading so that you can be a profitable trader. I'm going to teach you all the mistakes that other traders will be making when doing analysis. For example, all these trendline traders who they think that after those two touches such as this, then on the third touch the market will play out. I'm going to teach you all those false narratives that most of the traders do know, like okay, the trend line has broken, I will wait for a retest and I will enter sell trades. No, in this video I will teach you on how you can logically do your analysis from A to Z, logical trading, so that you can enter your trades while logically reasoning your reason on why you are risking your money. So as I've said, I will start with the 4-hour time frame. I will start with the highest time frame. Maybe let us start to the daily time frame. What's the reason for you to start doing analysis on those highest time frames? It is very simple, so that you can know the general market bias, like where the market came from and where the market is expected to be. Now, the first concept that we have to know is just know how the uptrend market moves and the downtrend market moves, right? You have to know, for example, this is how an uptrend market moves. You have to know this in the back of your head. This is how an uptrend market moves, and this is how a downtrend market moves. So whenever you are trading, only trade these movements. Only trade these movements. There are other movements where we will find your market moving not in a clear any direction, just progressively sideways. Doesn't move either up or down, just moving in a progressive sideways movement, just like this. Now this is this type of movements that whenever you see them in your trading, just ignore that pair. There are thousands of pairs. Just ignore that pair and go to other pairs. Alright? Now forget about this. Forget about this. Now, as I've said, make sure you just concentrate on those two movements, either the uptrend movement or the downtrend movement. Now, when we come to our market right here, so today we saw that okay, this market was moving on an uptrend movement, providing us with series of higher highs and higher lows, just like this. But the moment the market broke the previous higher low of this previously uptrend movement, it marked that the uptrend market is over. Again, the second information that we saw, the most recent information that we saw on the daily time frame is that the market did provide us with the downtrend or the bearish market movement shift of the market structure. So this market was moving in a downtrend movement for this case right here, providing us with the lower high, and the moment the market came to retest right here, it broke way above this level right here, proving to us that the market has provided us with the daily shift of the market structure by breaking of this lower high of this movement right here. So what does this tell us? It tells us that the market that was moving previously on a downtrend, right now it has been broken, and you should concentrate on having the buy trades. Now, again, you know that if the market moves in an uptrend movement, it has to move in series of higher highs and higher lows. That's the most basic fundamental concept that you have to know. So for this case right now, we see that the market just soon after retesting to this level right here, the market prayed out. Okay, the market prayed out. Now, Let's say, for example, this is the thing that you have noticed on the daily time frame, that the market came to this level right here. It prayed out on a retest, but you can never be for sure know if the market will respect this either this level or will come all the way down right here. You have to wait until there is a variable confirmation, or for those who were lucky enough to get this entry and they are in deep profits, they are in deep profits area. But let's say, for example, maybe once the market was on this area, you were busy doing your extracurricular activities and you missed this entry. How are you going to get that entry on the lower time frame? And that comes to this strategy. Now, after knowing the general concept of this market, like, okay, this is how the downtrend market moves. The market broke this structure, came to retest, broke this structure, came to retest, and has to come to at least this point right here as our first take profit before getting any other kinds of decisions to be made. At least the market has to come to this level right here, the previous higher high of this uptrend movement. Okay, now the question is, the market already came to this retesting point right here and we missed this entry. How are you going to get that entry? And that's when we go to the lower time frame, particularly the 1 hour time frame. This is some kind of a top-down analysis. Like, you have to know for sure, how the markets how the market time frame coordinations work. Some people start with the weekly, then they go to the 4 hour time frame, then they go to the 30-minute time frame. You have to find the best time coordination that works for you reasonably. If you want to know how to know the best times with the best time frames to coordinate, just type in the comment section below. Type the words time frame coordination, and if the comments are many enough, I will consider making the video specifically for you guys, because hey, this is just knowledge and I'm so happy to share knowledges with you. And if you're still watching this video up to now, please take this time to subscribe to this channel so that you never miss any of my future videos, because I'm going to teach you all those things that other mentors do not want you to know. And if you still haven't joined my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, this is the entry that occurred on the daily time frame, and this is the entry that we missed. But don't be a baby. Don't be a baby. Once the market leaves without you, don't cry. They say, oh, the market has left without me. No, don't cry. You know for sure that this market, we saw on the daily time frame that this market has to at least come to this level right here. And you know how the uptrend market moves. The market always moves in series of higher highs and higher lows. We will just wait for a market to retest and you get your continuation. The hardest thing that most of the traders do not know is knowing the point where the market is expected to go. If you know the point where the market is expected to go, and you know for sure how the market moves in series, now all markets moves in series of high highs and higher lows, you'll just say, okay, I know. You'll just sit in your computer and just say, I know this market will just come right here. Just wait for a retest. If the market is moving sideways, I will just chill and until I get a visible confirmation for entries. Those are the questions that you have to ask yourself, you as a logical trader. Okay, now let us see an entry that we got today. The entry that we got today was on these numbers right here of 294 or 296, because they were main orders. So let us see, this market was moving in series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we know, okay, that this market, if it were to continue to reach this point, has to move this way. And as the moment the market came to retest to this level right here, the market respected our decision and went all the way to this point right here, with our stop loss just being minimum below this level right here. Let us see. Let us see the profit ratio that we are in, you can see right here our profit ratio until now is 1:4. So if those guys entered in the minimum lot size and they risk $10, right now they are in $40 as a take profits. For those that risk $100 are in 400 take profits. But again, we are so much we are so much into this trade because we saw already on the daily time frame where this market is expected to be. So for those guys who are looking to grow their accounts, I usually recommend them that okay, you can close your trades. Let's say you are trading with $100 account and right now you're sitting on $140 account and you have no other sources of income. Maybe you are working a 9 to 5 job and you are earning $2 per hour. I usually recommend for those types of guys, okay, don't be greedy, just grow your account. Possibly, if you grow your account consistently and steadily, maybe in the next year, that account, that $100 account, you'll be sitting on $1,000 account, and from there, that it is when you can scale up even to $10,000 account, and from there even to $100,000 account. But you need to grow steadily. Don't be greedy. But for those that our capital allows us, this is what we do. This is the last take profit that we are aiming for this trade, for this trade. But since we for my case, of course, I have opened multiple positions. I have taken multiple profits already, and I've locked some profits. So I will just stay steadily and wait for this, and this is 1:12. You can just see how this movement is so beautifully how it beautifully take place. Unless we get a shift of the market structure on this daily time frame, no, on this 1 hour time frame, unless we get a shift of market structure on this one time frame, that it is when we can know the market has shifted and will not reach this level right here, and this will just remain as untested area of resistance. Okay, untested area of resistance. You get my point. Now today, as we were in the live trading group, I did discuss with some of my students who were there, and I told them, if you are entering into your trades, you have to think how other traders are doing. There are many traders in this market. This same market that you are seeing right here, there are many traders. There are many traders. There are those guys who call themselves the ICTs, the CMCs, the order blocks traders, the moving average traders. All traders are looking at this same market as you. So you have to know how those traders are trading, and you have to trade against them. If you see that this is a very clear opportunity entry that most of the traders are looking also for that same entry as a buy, just know that the markets will wipe you guys out, because for the market to move, there has to be a liquidity to take place. Some people have to lose money so the market can move. If you see the market moving sideways, just know there is no enough liquidity to either push the market up or down. For example, this is how the trend traders were looking at this market. They be drawing themselves the market like this, and they say, okay, right now, let me go to the 50-minute time frame. So, and I show you query, well, it is zoomable query. You can see on the 50-minute time frame, this is how the trendline traders was viewing this market before we enter our entries. And I told them specifically, this is how the market, those guys will do. They will say, okay, the market right now is providing us with was moving this way, and you can see right here we have one touch right here, we have our second touch right here, and they were hoping to buy right here. You see? And what the market did is those guys were taken out as the market came all the way below right here. And again, those guys, I did tell them in the live group that this is how the traders will be viewing this market. Because I know I've studied lots of strategy, and over sometimes I just found them to be useful, and this is how they were expecting to track their trades. Like, okay, I will wait for a retest on this broken trend line before entering sales. They're not just logically thinking. What I'm trying to teach you in this video is how you think and trade logically. You cannot just tell me a simple line like this that you have drawn on your computer is capable of moving any market. Just a simple line is capable of moving the market. That doesn't make sense. You have to trade logically, and I've shown you why we enter this by trade from the highest time frame as a day trader, and that the daily time frame. Okay, so guys and girls, I hope that you have already subscribed to this channel, as I'll be providing you with the most important information for you as a trader so that you can grow. Guys and girls, I wish you all the best, and please subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to join my Telegram group, whose link can be found in the description below. Have a nice day.